Well, we're on a road trip to Ramwell, so we're going to film Call the Shots with Spencer Smith, James Bird, Kieran Thomas, Will Bourne, and...
I'm sorry, Ramwell. I may have broken your reception shot sign, so yeah, let's go.
I'm calling Spencer flat at the back bank.
Not getting a free Brian bank.
It's the sketchiest fucking thing ever happened. I'll call Ben. Triple whip out the bank.
This is Black Hoodie Rap.
I'm calling James and then worst out the bank.
Next, better look on map. Besides, me not like the eye.
Will's gonna do a whip bar step up.
Right. But if a man tests my style, I promise.
I call Spencer flat and
Really sexy.
Boy, I may take some getting used to. Chain snatching ain't habit. Got it.
I'll call Kieran nice. With the scooter around. You can do it on that one.
So the number runners was the only one to hang with him. Before you know it, I'm in it.
Now he's gonna do a bar whip.
Tanks, video kid apps like Arrangers is something.
I'm calling James. A whip rewind. And then you step up. Will's gonna do 180 right to fake it.
Let's go do it.
Okay.
I call Spencer heel triple rewind.
I father, I Brooklyn.
So Kieran's going to do a kick list of the baby step up for baby kids.
That one.
Okay, the big step up for big kids then.
Me, luckily they didn't get me. Now when I bring the nets, I'm the Black Branch Ricky from Brooklyn Corners, burning branches of.
So we've been here quite a long time, and it was quite a long journey here, so we're all a bit tired. So Ben's just going to do a chilled finger whip out of the bank.
Pictures are returning tomorrow. The sun don't come out for many.
I'm going to call James and kick us over the resin.
Still I manage to live. I go hard.
I call Will, flat the resin.
Now please tell me what the f***'s harder than this.
Oh god.
It's 12 o'clock, I've got a 4-hour drive back, well 3 hours. Well, it did take 4 hours, but it's meant to take 2, but we all kind of tossed about it.
We went to Mucky D's.
That was the end of a Call the Shots, and
We're about to have a private session.
we're at a private session in unit, very late at night. But well, I don't know how long it's going to last, I'll probably stay until about 1, and then yeah. Actually it's not hot, it's not 12, is it? It's half 11, but I'm staying until 1, and then Ben's going to put all the sponsors in the description. Repping UK Skate and Bearings, Unit 360 Skate Park.
Follow at UK Skate.
Hashtag Pornhub.
Hashtag Pornhub.